Hi, once again this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. Today I will show you how to create a responsive e-commerce website for your organic food business. The website will be looking like this. This website is fully responsive and easy to use and looking very good. And this website is built with WordPress WooCommerce and Elementor. So you can easily customize this website. I'll show you today how you can create such a website from scratch. The theme I have used for this website is GreenMart. You will find it in Theme Forest. This is the theme and I liked it so much. The rating is good and around 3,500 sold out. Okay, let's see. First, here I am in the dashboard of my site. I will make this site like this. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will really inspire me to make more useful video for you. First, I have to upload the theme. So let me upload the theme. Convert. Alright, the upload is completed. And now I have to extract the theme. The theme has been extracted and I am good to delete with the zip file. Okay, now return back to WordPress admin panel and click Appearance and Themes. Here you should find GreenMart and click Activate. Now it will ask for installing the required plugins. Now click Begin installing plugins and select all. But you have to check one thing, that is I will use Elementor as a website builder. So it is good practice to have only one website builder for one site. So uncheck this WP Bakery page builder and now click install from the bulk action. Now it may take a couple of minutes for completing the installation of these plugins. It may take 4 or 5 minutes to complete the installation. If you face any issue, you may write comments on the video. Also, if you need any help regarding website, e-commerce, and digital marketing, Google advertising, SEO, then you may contact with me. You will find my contact details on the description of this video below. Alright, just 3 plugins to install in the queue. The last one is waiting to install. Alright, all installation has been completed. Now it's time to activate this plugin. So click return to required plugins installer and select all. Just again uncheck the WP Bakery page builder and click activate and click apply. Alright, now click theme setup. Close this one. Again click appearance, theme setup. Now click start. It will ask for install the child theme. It is good decision to install the child theme. Alright, now which homepage you want to install as a demo content? There are several homepage. You may check that from the theme forest website, theme demo page. Okay, I am good with this home one. So click import. It will now import the demo content. It is always good practice to build a website by installing the demo content, which is very helpful to customize the website. It may take again 4 or 5 minutes to complete the process. So I am stopping the video for now and will get back soon. It's almost about to finish, and yes, it has been finished. All done. Have fun. Okay, I'm clicking return to dashboard. For now, dismiss this notice. Okay, let's reload this page. Look, a good looking, responsive e-commerce website for your organic food or grocery shop business is ready. Now you have to set up few things from Ecommerce. So navigate to Ecommerce setting. The first thing is you have to set your store address. I am picking a random address. Texas. Chip as the chip code. Remember that this is test data. You have to use your own shop or business address. All right. Now click Save Changes. Now next thing is click Shipping. So first you have to add shipping zone and local zone filter. This zone is for suppose North American countries. Now click a shipping method. It will be flat rate. You may create as your requirement. Now it's time to payment. If you have payment gateway, then you can configure it from here. For now, I am activating these three payment gateway and clicking save. This is a bug by Ecommerce. So I have to click multiple times. Anyway, just leave it. The site is ready. Now the site is operational and it is really good looking and perfect for um, organic food or grocery shop business. And the shop page is also looking very good. Yeah, look the shop page. There is pagination and add to cart. Check the cart page, view cart. It's also looking very good. And finally the checkout page. Here it is. It is also looking fantastic. If you do not know how to customize this website according to your requirement, then you can hire me. You will find my contact details in the video description below. Also, you may visit rankninja.com to contact with me for any kind of e-commerce website service or digital marketing, including Facebook and Google advertising. So this is enough for today. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will inspire me a lot to create new video for you. Thank you.